Hello, today we're going to be working on reviewing this week's phonetic elements, the short I, it, the consonants R, F, and final S, Z. And to do that, we're going to practice blending our words, and we'll do that sound by sound blending. So let's look at line 1, and we have k, a, n, s, cans. All right, the next word, f, a, n, s, fans. A, n, ran. Ms, rams. Ns, fins. All right, as you see the S here, remember that the S, when it's added to the end of a word, can mean more than one. More than one can, more than one fan, more than one rams, or more than one ram, and more than one fin. All right, let's do line 2. D, I, P, S, dips. F, I, T, S, fits. I, P, S, rips. F, A, T, fat. S, it, sits. S, it, sits. All right, now line 3 is kind of a review of some sounds that we've worked on this week and some words we've worked on this week. So let's see how we do with line 3. D, a, d, dad. D, I, d, did. N, I, p, nip. N, app, nap. P, a, n, pan. All right, now line 4 is kind of a challenge line. So if you're ready for a challenge, let's do line 4. B, id, bid. D, im, dim. F, add, fad. F, ib, fib. Id, red. How did you do? Let's see if we can look at our sentences. We have 2 sentences here, and notice that our sentence begins with a capital letter and that it ends with a period. So that tells us it's probably going to be a telling sentence. It's telling us. So let's read that together. Here's one of our high frequency words that we've been working on this week. I bet you remember that. One cat naps in the bin. All right, let's read that again. One cat naps in the bin. All right, let's look at our next sentence. Again, it begins with a capital letter, and it too ends with a period. So we have another telling sentence. Now let's be careful when we say this A. It kind of sounds like a short E, the sound you would hear in elephant. So it's not it, or like you would hear in East Tennessee, it's many, many. All right, let's try it. Many tin cans tip. How did you do? If you want more practice, I will assign a book called Finn, I believe is the name of the book, and I will assign that in your HMH sight.